With inflation still high, interest rates holding steady, layoffs increasing in tech and finance, and whispers of a downturn circulating in the headlines, recession fears in the United States are getting real. While no one can say with 100% certainty if or when a recession will hit, preparing your finances right now is not panic, it's smart strategy. So let's break down exactly how to recession-proof your money in 2025, step by step. First, start with your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. With the rising cost of living, groceries, gas, rent, having 3 to 6 months of essential expenses saved is more important than ever. Keep it in a high-yield savings account like Ally, SoFi, or Capital One, where it earns interest but stays accessible. If saving thousands feels overwhelming, don't stress. Start with $20, $50, or $100 a week. Every bit adds up, and it gives you peace of mind. Second, cut back on non-essential spending. With inflation sticking around 3–4% and wage growth slowing, now is the time to trim. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cut down on DoorDash. Reshop your insurance. Living lean now gives you more control later. It's not about sacrifice, it's about strategy. Third, tackle high-interest debt. With credit card APRs still averaging over 20%, carrying balances is getting expensive. If you have debt, prioritize paying it off using the avalanche or snowball method. If you don't have debt, protect that freedom. Avoid buy now, pay later traps or financing things that won't hold long-term value. In a recession, cash flow is king. Fourth, diversify your income. Big companies, especially in tech, are already cutting jobs. If your only source of income is your job, you're more exposed than you think. Can you freelance, consult, sell digital products, pick up a weekend side hustle? Even an extra $200 $300/month from a side gig could give you a major cushion if your main income gets hit. Fifth, keep investing, but stay calm and focused. Yes, the stock market has been volatile. The S&P 500 is bouncing, interest rate uncertainty is making investors nervous, and real estate is cooling down. But here's the truth. Recessions create some of the best buying opportunities for long-term investors. If you're dollar-cost averaging into index funds, ETFs, or your 401k, stay the course. Wealth is built during downturns by those who stay in the game. Sixth, this is the time to upskill yourself. AI is rapidly changing the job market. Remote work is shifting again, and traditional roles are evolving fast. Take online courses, learn new tools, improve your LinkedIn. Recession-proofing your income also means recession-proofing you. Finally, talk to your partner or family and create a recession-ready plan. Who pays what if things slow down? What expenses can be paused? Having this conversation now prevents panic later. Let's recap. Build your emergency fund. Cut unnecessary spending. Pay down high-interest debt. Create backup income. Keep investing. Level up your skills. And communicate with your people. A recession doesn't have to break you. In fact, it can be the moment you finally gain control of your finances. So if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Scube Wealth Grid, and share this with someone who needs it. Because we're not just talking about money, we're building financial resilience. Let's grow through what we go through, together.